How was the transportation of Jews planned at Wannsee? Imagine a vast, complex network designed to move millions of people across Europe in a matter of years. That's what happened during the planning of the Holocaust. At the Wannsee Conference, Nazi officials mapped out how to carry out the mass deportation of Jews. They decided that Jews from all territories under German control and occupied countries would be gathered in specific locations called ghettos or transit camps. From there, they would be transported mainly by train to extermination camps in occupied Poland. These camps included Chełmno, Treblinka, Sobibor, Belzec, Auschwitz-Birkenau, and Majdanek. All these camps were situated near major railroad lines to make moving large groups easier and faster. The trains used for deportation were often overcrowded and uncomfortable, with many people packed into freight cars. Conditions were brutal, and many died during the journey. The transportation plan was highly organized. It involved cooperation from various branches of the German government and even pressured other countries to help round up their Jewish populations. The Nazis made it clear that Jews would no longer be allowed to emigrate freely. Instead, they would be evacuated eastward, which was a code word for deportation to death camps. The plan also included using able-bodied Jews for forced labor during the journey or at the camps. Elderly, disabled, and those unfit for work were also targeted for deportation and extermination. Some exceptions were made, like sending certain groups to the Theresienstadt ghetto, which was used as a transit point. The entire process was a bureaucratic effort, with detailed schedules, transportation routes, and logistics to move millions of people efficiently. The transportation system was a key part of the Nazi plan to systematically murder European Jews. It relied on the extensive rail network, strict coordination among government agencies, and the ruthless implementation of policies decided at the Wannsee Conference. This logistical framework made the Holocaust's mass murder possible on such a devastating scale.